Guys, so welcome to another episode of Leah Unfiltered. I'm excited because today I'll be showing you what I got online and showing you my review on the products I got, if I like them or I don't like them, according to like how I felt before ordering them. So yeah, let's get into it. I got it. Okay, I didn't get it as a testing. I just want to show it as a testing because I want to use it. Yeah, the tripod. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And I've already opened it. So it came in this package, and yeah, that's basically it. And I just want to figure out how to use it. Like this is the menu. Yeah, so yeah, let me set it up because I want to use it right now. Like I'm excited about it. Oh god, even this came with it. So the best thing I think is to like put this here for the phone holder. Ha! Look at me. What? Bed. Okay, there it goes, and then I put it in the wrong direction. How long is this gonna take? I don't want this just to go. What? Oh, this way. Okay. Okay. Two, it says something like this. Look at that. That was easy. Have I done it the right way? And the thing with this way is that it's in Chinese, so yeah, it's actually in Chinese. So I'm just trying to like look at the pictures and see how the things are. Guys, how do you make it tall? Look at me. That's why it is. Okay, so this direction then. Start with this one. What should I say about it? Okay, I'm not really impressed with. I thought like it goes more than this because like, oh maybe it does. Let me try. Guys, why did you tell me? You know, this is like first thing I'm using such type of thing. Okay. What does this mean? Justina! Oh my god! Oh my god! Guys, I'm making noise. Okay, not bad. Let me just adjust this down. I love it. So done. Oh good. Yeah, I love it. So yeah, let's use it. And guess what we're using? Oh my god, I love it. I really love it. I take back my words. I love it. Like, I just don't know how to adjust it. And I'm smart. Like, the menu, I didn't even use the menu. I was like, try and error. You know the try and error method? That's the one that I use. So yeah, what's my second package that I'm unpacking? Another thing that I got is this shoe rack over here. Yeah. 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 So this is what I got. And the thing is, I have to assemble it. Don't worry, we're going to assemble it together. Yeah, but this will be for the last part. I just hope it will come out like is like being displayed here, because I don't want to cry. I don't want to get disappointed. Yeah, so the other thing I got is this storage wardrobe. I'm trying to like renovate my room when I'm done. I'm gonna show you guys before and the after. Okay, but the before thing, I think it's a mess right now because you for some renovation in the house. So this is the wardrobe that I got, and it's also to assemble it. We're gonna do it together because we're both smart, yeah. We're going to use try and error method. I think this has a video. Okay, this is the other thing I got. I'm excited for it as well. I can't wait to see. Oh my god. Are you ready to see what's in here? Oh my god. I've never been this excited. Oh my god. Yeah. And I like the color. You know, when I was like ordering this online, I did say like choose a pick a color, they just pick it for me. Oh. This is like my first makeup box because like I want to start makeup. Are you excited with me? Like the way I am excited? Huh? 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 Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, don't worry, we're still together. Okay. Then this has a cute little box here. Yeah. Can you guess what's inside before I open it? I'm excited for this one as well. Where's my knife? So this is what's this? Guys, I'm new to makeup, so this is like a huge step for me, and like I think I'm gonna start doing makeup 100 kwacha only. How to do that with my own product, okay? This is pressed powder. If I'm opening, okay, let's get it open. Oh shit! You guys should be coming to do the makeup with me. Makeup by Leah. Oh my god. Okay, I love it. Okay, that. I think we're even going to pack it in the makeup box. This is also like, this is contour. Yeah. Oh shit as well. You guys should be coming to do your makeup. And we've got a pressed powder. Oh, half. I'm just so excited. Oh my god. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, this is good. This is you just don't know how excited you guys am for makeup, because like I've always like wanted to start makeup and try makeup on my own. Yeah. Okay. And but this oh three shades. Okay. Yeah. Setting spray. Okay. And a pair of lashes. What's this? Foundation. This is a primer. And of course an eyebrow pencil. Oh, lip gloss. 2 puffs. Yeah. Then this is like eyeliner, 2 lipsticks, an eyeshadow primer. Okay. We're getting there. Another pressed powder. Wow, black. And of course the brushes. Who can make up without brushes? Yeah. This is the eyelash waterproof and a concealer. Last but not the least in the box is this beauty right here. What's this? Okay, let's open it, shall we? Let's open it. Ouch. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I like this. Guys, I'm so excited. I have my own makeup for beginners, so yeah. You guys should come and pick it up. Only 100 bucks. Okay. Let's start packing, shall we? We're done. Don't mind my packing, so the first sheet down here. What kind of packing is this? Anyways. My mom is a sweet person, isn't she? She came to help me. She was like, all the time you're still doing this thing. I'm like, yeah. But otherwise, it was a hell of a roller coaster. But yeah, I managed, you know. I'm smart, so yeah. I am done. Can you believe that? Ooh. And this one here is a shoe rack. Oh my god, I'm so tired. guys for watching my video. I really appreciate it. See you on the next episode. Bye.